Course link is provided in the description. Hello and welcome to the course that is Graph Database Neo4j with Spring Boot. Let me drive you to the topics that you will learn from this course. This course is all about Neo4j, which is graph database and type of nosql. Neo4j is being used by some well-known companies like Airbus, Walmart, eBay, Adobe and others. First of all, you will learn basics like what is graph, node, relationship and properties. After having the basic knowledge, you will learn to perform CRUD operations in Neo4j. So this is basically creating, reading, updating and deleting the data in Neo4j. In Neo4j, to perform any operation, we need to use cipher query language, in short CQL. In this course, you will learn to write different types of cipher queries. You will also learn to write AND, OR and IN queries in Neo4j. You will learn different types of constraints available in Neo4j. You will learn relationship between nodes in Neo4j. This course covers how to use aggregate functions like count, sum and distinct in Neo4j. You will learn to do pagination and sorting in Neo4j. You will learn to compare string values using contains and starts with queries. In the later part of the course, you will learn to perform CRUD operations in your Spring Boot application using Spring Data Neo4j. You will also learn to perform AND, OR and IN queries in your Spring Boot application using Spring Data Neo4j. You will learn how to write cipher query in your Spring Boot application. This course covers how to do pagination and sorting in your Spring Boot application using Spring Data Neo4j. Now let's talk about the prerequisite that you need to have before taking this course. So this course is majorly divided into two parts. The first is completely focused on Neo4j and second part is how to use Neo4j with Spring Boot. If you are a database developer and just want to learn Neo4j, then part 1 is for you, and for that you just need to have basic knowledge of any SQL database like MySQL, MS SQL, Oracle or any other. If you are a Java developer and wants to learn Neo4j, then both the parts of the course are for you. So for that, you need to have basic knowledge of any SQL database and also you need to have basic knowledge of Spring Boot. So this prerequisite completely depends if you are a database developer or Java developer. So what are you waiting for? Enroll into the course now and start learning Neo4j. For my teaching style, English pronunciation or any other information, please check out the preview videos and course description. We'll see you in the course. Till then, happy learning and happy coding!